Kalispera kiris ke kiri. Today we have a delicious side dish that goes great with chicken or a nice steak. We're going to begin by slicing 6 large fresh mushrooms. Slice each mushroom into 4 pieces. When you're done slicing the fresh mushrooms, place them back in the bowl and to the side. Now, let's begin to slice the red onions. We're going to need 2 quite large onions, which we're going to slice them around 1/2 inch thick. As soon as you're done slicing the red onions, place them back in the bowl and let's begin to cook. We're going to use a pan, medium to high heat. Let's add some olive oil. Now let's add the Canadian bacon, which has been sliced 1/4 inch thick. Now, what we're looking for when we're cooking the bacon is for both sides to be golden brown. They have that golden brown look, so they should be ready. We're going to cook the mushrooms in the same oil that we were cooking the bacon in. When the mushrooms are cooking, they're slowly going to absorb all that oil that has the great bacon flavor in it. We're going to cook the mushrooms for 3 to 4 minutes. In between, let's add some salt and pepper. When the mushrooms are ready, let's place them back in the bowl. Let's warm up the pan to medium heat and add olive oil. Let's add the onions now and start to caramelize them. It's going to take around 8 to 10 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes of cooking the onions, let's add some salt and pepper. After 8 to 9 minutes of cooking the onions, I think they're okay. Let's put them back in the bowl and begin to put this lovely dish together. We start by putting the 3 bacon pieces, one next to the other. On top of the bacon, we put the caramelized onions, on top of the caramelized onions, we put the mushrooms and place them everywhere. Now at the end on top we add thick sweet balsamic vinegar. And there you have a delicious side dish that goes great with chicken or steak. Και καλή σας όρεξη!